hierarchy of government services in India, civil services are at the very top. It remains even now one of the most sought-after career aspirations for millions across the country. The bureaucrats, as we know, are also called civil servants because they are here to serve the people of the country, an expectation that they are expected to fulfill. But what happens when the spirit of service is replaced by entitlement? We're talking about Pooja Khedkar, a trainee IAS officer. The news is now tightening around her as the police officials in the latest have reached her residence and an inquiry is being ordered into the use first of a beacon on the Audi car that was used by Pooja. So action will be initiated against her under the Motor Vehicles Rules Act. There's also a fine of 26,500 rupees for non-observance of traffic rules for the car that has been used by her. First up, listen into her reaction when she was asked about the grave allegations against her.
मी ह्याच्याबद्दल काहीच बोलू शकत नाहीये. मला ऑथरायझेशन नाहीये ह्याच्याबद्दल काही बोलण्यासाठी.
नाही पण आपल्या घरी पोलीस गेलेले आहेत आपल्याकडे.
नो आयडिया. मला प्लीज विचारू नका ते. मी आता इथे आहे. लेट मी डू माय वर्क.
So let's talk about what are the violations that she is accused of. We have the list that has come in here. But let's tell you what is the action that is going to be initiated against her. In the latest, the centre has also constituted a panel to verify the claims that she has made in her certificates. Is it true? Is it wrong? So there's more trouble mounting for her. There's a one-member panel that is being chaired by the Additional Secretary to the Government of India that will look into the allegations on whether she has made fake claims in her certificates in becoming the probationary IAS officer. So her candidature claims are also coming into question right now. So the committee will submit its report within 2 weeks. It's going to be a time-bound inquiry into the same. Within 2 weeks, action is likely to be initiated against her. This comes at a time when there are accusations of several violations against her. So this committee will be submitting a report within just the next 2 weeks. So the central government has constituted this committee to verify these claims, and that report is now going to be filed.
वो गाड़ी के ऊपर 21 चालान पेंडिंग है और 26,500 रुपए का दंड बाकी है। जो ये ऑडी गाड़ी है व्हाइट कलर की, उसके ऊपर अंबर दिया लगा हुआ है और जो महाराष्ट्र शासन लिखा हुआ है उसका कुछ परमिशन नहीं लिया गया। ऐसे ऐसे हमें जानकारी मिली है। उसी के प्रतिकार के लिए हम यहाँ पे आए हैं। गाड़ी हमको अभी मिली नहीं है। गाड़ी मिलने के बाद उसके ऊपर हम जो कायदेशीर कार्रवाई है वो सब करने वाले हैं।
महाराष्ट्र शासन का प्राइवेट कार पे बोर्ड नहीं लगाया जा सकता है और बीकन जो उन्होंने रेड लगाया था, लाल बत्ती जो उन्होंने लगाई थी, उसके लिए आप कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं।
Now, Pooja apparently installed a lal batti as well, a VIP number plate as well on her private luxury car. In fact, the office space of another official was also taken over by Pooja. She got her own nameplate installed there and also pressurized her seniors for even more privileges. And as the alleged fraud unravels, many are now questioning whether the influence of her father, who is Dilip Khedkar, an ex-bureaucrat himself, and also a VBA Lok Sabha candidate in the recently held elections, had something to do with her shenanigans.
एजेंसियों में ही गड़बड़ है, सिलेक्शन में गड़बड़ हुई है। झूठे सर्टिफिकेट की जांच होनी चाहिए थी। एक आईएएस का सिलेक्शन होता है यूपीएससी में, तो ये बहुत सारी जांचें बहुत एकदम कड़क होती है। ऐसी स्थिति में वो जो सर्टिफिकेट, मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट लिया है, वो कैसे लिया है? वो गलत लिया है। इसमें बहुत गड़बड़ी लगती है। लोगों की मांग है कि इसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, तो हम भी मांग करते हैं कि इसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए।
उसने जो इनकम सर्टिफिकेट लेके आए, मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट आए, इसमें पैसे देके खरीद करके वो सर्टिफिकेट लाए और उसकी स्टाइल ऐसा हो गया कि पैसे देके भी कुछ भी हम कर सकते। और सिस्टम में खेड़ेकर एक नाम आयल है, ऐसे बहुत अधिकारी ऐसे सिस्टम के बाहर जाके काम कर रहे हैं। उसको निलंबित, सस्पेंड करना चाहिए।
तो भाई साहब, ये तो कानून है, सरकार का क्या संबंध है? अगर कोई अधिकारी मिसबिहेव करता है तो हमारे राज्य का कानून है, उसके एक्शन होती है। ये कोई प्रश्न है क्या भाई साहब? ये तो करना ही होगा। अगर कोई बचाने की कोशिश करता है तो ध्यान में लाके देने के बाद ऐसे अधिकारियों पे कार्रवाई होगी।
So what can be done to prevent such incidents? Is there a need for a complete overhaul in the administrative services or not? Let's bring in Dr. Vikram Singh, retired IPS officer, as well as Umesh Sehgal, former Chief Secretary of Delhi, joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Umesh Sehgal, I want to begin with you. Are you baffled, outraged at the details that have been coming in, or unfortunately you're aware that there are a few incidents like this that take place and there is a need for an overhaul? What are your first reactions?
Well, I don't think there is need for an overhaul just because there is one case. But the system has been going on for a long time, and I don't think very many cases have surfaced. This one single case has come. There is an inquiry ordered by the government, by an additional secretary level officer, and the inquiry will come out with how this has happened. If it has the machinations of a single person, and somehow he has managed to give in false certificates and get away with it, then legal action should be taken against that person. And
no, you're right, but look at the list of allegations against her, including fake certificates also being given during the time of her appointment. Isn't that a cause of concern?
Yes, it is. It is. I don't know the entire facts of the matter, so it's not possible for me to comment. But what I am saying is that one single case emerging over a period of 60, 70 years, that the appointments are going on by the UPSC, and UPSC doesn't make just IAS appointments. They are also doing appointments in other services. And this, to my knowledge, is the first single case which has emerged. And such cases do need strong action. But a complete overhaul, I am not sure, because the system is there. Well, the system needs to be reviewed from time to time. There is no doubt about that.
Okay, Dr. Vikram Singh, do you agree to that this is a one-off incident and there's no need for a complete overhaul? But look at the allegations against her. Apart from the luxuries, yeah, that itself has brought the focus on her and on the incident. But a look into the past credentials as well now being questioned. The fact that she has allegedly lied also about the certificates in getting the probationary to even get that title. There are fake certificates that have allegedly been given.
Let me tell you that the law is unsparing and she requires to be dismissed from service forthwith. I have seen the days when ICS officers had to resign because they put a 25 paise, 4 ane, in a dishonesty in their TA bills. This level of intellectual depravity, misdemeanor, unofficer-like qualities, allegations of fake certificates, the first thing that we can do to ourselves and to the service is immediate dismissal and termination of the probation. There is no question. Let the inquiry be done in 48 hours, all to be scrutinized. And I think there's enough evidence to show the manner in which she threw out the furniture of Mr. More, her senior in service, the manner in which she got services and also obligations from a contractor in respect of an Audi car, demanded a VIP number, shows that there's something horribly wrong in her mental makeup and she's absolutely unofficer-like. Her plate of allegations is totally full. And I have known the days when people who have much minor misdemeanors, their services were terminated, both in the IAS, in the IPS, and very many services. But we have become so liberal that nothing shocks and surprises us any longer. Let me tell you, even about 20 years ago, if something like this had happened, she would have lost her job without batting an eyelid. This level of misdemeanor being posted in her hometown, everything seems to be going her way and that of her father. Her father seems to have bought everything for her, and now they're pushing their way through. This is just not acceptable. IAS is known for unassuming officers, self-effacing officers, anonymity in public service, and morality and officer-like to service to the people. Here, these are the new Nawabs. These are new rulers who have a deep sense of entitlement. This is not acceptable. We cannot have such narcissistic officers in the service.
Yes, deep service of entitlement. Mr. Sehgal, where is the service in the civil services if you have officials like this? And you were saying that, the fact of the matter is the investigation is still on, yes. But look at the allegations against her. She is accused of also giving a fake disability certificate. She is also accused of submitting a mental illness certificate. And then when she is brought in as a probationary trainee officer, she is asking for luxuries. She is still a probationary officer asking for luxuries, moving out furniture from one of her senior officials, her father putting pressure on the administration. Would you expect something like this to happen? And it has gone unnoticed until now.
Well, it's very unfortunate that such an officer has gone in. It is unfortunate. There is no doubt about that. And there is some fault somewhere that such a thing has happened. And but you just throw her out without any inquiry would be very, very unfair. This will be against the service rules. And probational can be ended, no doubt. It can be ended at any time. But there has to be a reason for it. And the reason will come out of the inquiry. All allegations in the press, all allegations on the TVs just cannot lead to the dismissal of an officer. I somehow don't agree because this will create a very bad precedent.
Okay, Dr. Vikram Singh, very quickly I want to ask you, should she be given the benefit of doubt, as Mr. Sehgal is saying? And more importantly, we are told that when she had given a certificate of mental illness and disability, she had been called in for checks, but she did not go citing COVID illness. So how does it go unnoticed? How is it that she has provided a certificate of disability, did not appear for the medical examination, and then continued in service?
Let me tell you, there seems to be a different rule book for Dr. Pooja. And make no mistake about it, I did not say without inquiry. The inquiry should be completed in 3 working days, not for 3 years or 5 years. And if this is completed, let me assure you, with my experience of policing of 36 years, I can tell you that she is eyeball deep in trouble and misdemeanors. And then after the inquiry proves that she is guilty, she should be terminated. Her promotion should be terminated. I have no doubt. An exemplary punishment needs to be given to IAS and IPS officers who commit such misdemeanors.
Absolutely. Make an example out of it. Such luxurious lifestyle for an IAS officer in violation of the rules by providing fake certificates is unacceptable. Dr. Vikram Singh as well as Umesh Sehgal ji, thank you for joining us on the broadcast with your views.